Good morning, YouTube. So some of you might know from my Instagram that I recently got a new puppy. Everybody, meet Khaleesi. Look at that face. Khaleesi, meet everybody on YouTube. Hi. So she is currently just turned 4 months old. We got her from a breeder. She is half American Staffy cross Labrador, and she is the most sweetest thing ever. She is so well behaved. This week is actually her last week at puppy school, and she's graduating from puppy school this week. Seriously, compared to the other dogs, she is so quiet, so well behaved, and she is so easy to train so far. We did have a bit of a problem when we first got her. She was just peeing and pooing everywhere, but thankfully I think it's day 8 today that she hasn't peed or poo in the house, which is such great news. If she keeps it up for a month, we're gonna start letting her sleep maybe in our bedrooms or upstairs with us somewhere, and with the cats. So she gets along really well with our cats, which wasn't always the case. She did start barking at them a few times when she first met them, but she soon adjusted pretty quick that, you know, they were her brother and sister, and now they just sniff each other out. And sometimes the cats hang in her bedroom and she comes up here and they'll come hang out with her, but I haven't got them to sleep near each other or with each other yet. I'm hoping for that day because it's just the cutest thing ever. So our current schedule with her is she gets walked by either myself or my husband 3 times a day. Usually first thing in the morning I will get up and feed her and then take her for a walk before I go to work, and then when I come home from work, if it's not too hot or raining, I take her for another walk, and then later on hubby will take her for another walk, just so she gets the right amount of exercise, because I heard that the more exercise that your dog gets, the more that helps with behavioral issues later on in life. So far so good. We have started feeding her twice a day. She used to be fed 3 times a day, but now just twice a day because we want her to get used to that way of eating. I actually have cameras on her when me and my hubby are at work, and most of the times I check up on her, and usually she is just sleeping in her room. She has a whole big backyard, which I'll show you guys in a minute, to run around and play in and do whatever dogs do, but she's pretty lazy during the day when we're not around. She'll just stay in her room, and sometimes she has her own couch at the back to sleep in, so she'll sleep out there a while and then come back inside in her room. So I'm just going to go downstairs and I'm going to give you guys a tour of her room. Look at her. Look at her, Miss Spoiled. Whenever she's allowed to come on the couch and have a little nap, she flips on her belly and always expects to get a belly rub from either me or hubby. She's so spoiled, aren't you? Look at her eyes, they're closed. She's in heaven at the moment. She's loving this. Aren't you, Khaleesi? So this is Khaleesi's room. Who did that? Hey? Who did that? That is supposed to be her pee pad, even though she's been good for 8 days now. We still put down a pee pad for her just in case. We currently have her doggy door, which is over there, closed at the moment because she has a visitor in her room. Hey Nudge, what you doing? So sometimes the cats love to just come down here and hang out with her under the bed. This is Khaleesi's bed. We originally started training her in her crate, but I don't think she likes her crate too much because we never see her sleep in there. She loves this day bed if she gets too hot. We did end up buying her a toddler's bed because she prefers to just sleep on here. There is her box of toys. There's the camera that I set up during the day to watch her. This room is still a work in progress. My husband ended up breaking the glass on that door the other day. So over here we just have a mirror. That is her Kong, in case you were wondering. A picture of Khaleesi. There's her food bowls and a drink bowl down there. We have some spare blankets for her, her pee pads, and just some extra little bits for her. In here, which I'll show you guys another day, we're going to keep all of her clothes for winter, any spare blankets, and I'll show you outside. She has access when we are not home to inside and outside. We only keep the doggy door closed when the cats are in her room, otherwise we have her bedroom door closed. Hey you two, be nice. Be nice. So I'll show you guys outside. So this is our backyard. It's a bit of a mess at the moment, only because hubby is doing renovations on it. I'm not too sure what he's doing, but he's apparently trying to make this look all better. This is her doggy door that she has entrance in and out of the house. This is her couch that we originally bought for when we have people that come over, but she's kind of claimed it as her own now. She does have her own dog kennel, and sometimes we fill that up, and she has like her own little bath, swimming pool there. She hardly ever uses her dog kennel though. She loves her couch. Don't you, darling? Want to get up on your couch? She loves her couch. What you got there? Hey? What you got? Have you got sausages? Guilty. So this is part of our backyard. We got her toys drying. I washed her toys. We have a barbecue. So this, guys, is our backyard. Look at it. We have such a huge backyard, and she spends most of her days inside. Don't you, darling? You don't want to play in the backyard unless Mummy and Daddy are home. Come on. You going to show everyone how you fetch? Come on, darling. Come on. Good girl. Khaleesi. Ready? Go get it. Go get it. Good girl. Bring it back. Come on. Come on. It's a bit too hot today, guys, so Khaleesi. Khaleesi. Go on. Go get it. Bring it back. Come on. Bring it back. Fail. Khaleesi, come on. Good girl. Come on. Bring it back. Bring it back. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you. Can I have the frisbee? Can I have the frisbee? No, she's not giving it up. Drop it. Drop. This is what happens every time we play fetch, even with a ball. Sometimes she brings it back to you, but she just doesn't want to let it go. Let go. Let go. Drop it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, please leave me a comment in the description box below, and I'll reply to all of your comments. I do apologize that this video might not be the best quality because I'm currently filming on my phone at the moment. we just moved into this house like 3 months ago, and I know it's no excuse, but I'm still unpacking and still trying to find where I put everything. So hopefully my next video will be better. I do apologize for the quality of this video. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Say goodbye, Khaleesi. Bye. Bye YouTube.